help that poor kitty.
We need to stop the traffic. Yes! Yes! We have to do it! Woof! Stop! Stop! Please stop!
You did it! Good girl!
Come here, kitty!
Yes!
We did it! You're safe now, little one. You're coming home with us, Lucky. Yay! Let's go, everyone.
Goodbye, Lucky!
We'll miss you. Thank you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We love you all.